Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing. And today, guys, we got this puppy right here. This is a power bank by Mfish. Yes, I know I did the charging line, and now I got a power bank. And somebody gave this to me as a gift, so I want to thank that person for giving it to me. For a gift, so thank you very much. But also, guys, I can't find this. I don't know which power bank this is because I looked it up online. I could not find which one it was. So all I do know, this is a 20-watt max power bank. I think it's 5,000 milliamp hours. Now, once we open it and I get to see the design, because I didn't want to open it without y'all being the first to see me open it, unbox it. I don't know how much it costs or which variant of their, because this says Mfish Sig, or then it has M6 Mfish Sig Mini. So I don't know which one. And a lot of the writing, I don't know what language this is. So, but it's in another language, so it might be in that language to let you know what it is. So, guys, Mfish has been popping up on my timeline, and popping up their infomercial, people talking about how great it is, but I'm gonna tell you, I looked up on the line, and some of their power banks are between the $50 and $60 range, and for 20 watts and 5,000 milliamp hours, I can't see myself paying, $50 to $60 for it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get to the eagle eye view so we can open up and see what we got. All right, guys. Hey, guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. The eagle eye view, and this is how the box look. So I don't know which power bank this is because I can't find it. You can see I don't know what language that is, but there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Again, I want to thank the person who got this for me. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Don't want to mess up that box. All right, let's go ahead and close this up so I won't cut myself. Let's go ahead. Wow. So you see it's 20 watts. I do like the way the box look. I do like it. Let's see how the box experience is. All right, so nothing in here. We have Mfish here, product series, and we have the camel. So this is the camel one. All right, so this is the wireless. I can't get it out. Well, we're gonna stop. All right, so we see this is the camel cigarettes. All right, so I don't do cigarettes, but okay. Camel, I have to look it up. This looks like cigarette camel. Okay, so put that aside. Let's see what's under here. And we have, we have the cable, but it's a very decent cable, guys. Thick. Looks like they're 4-in-1, but smaller, but without the other attachments. Okay, so I think this is kind of overkill for the box. I think the box should have been kind of smaller, and this gives you everything that needed in here. So this is what you get. So it tells you what can charge up. So please keep your booklets. All right. So we have what's called the camel. Okay. All right, the camel. So let's take this off. And it looks like the Camel brand cigarettes. Now, I don't smoke, but that's how it looks. All right, Mfish, you got me. All right, it's pretty decent. Can't lie the way it looks. All right, let me see. How you turn it off and on from here. So you have uh, on button. You have your way of seeing what is charging, and then you only have one input output. All right, and this is 5,000 milliamp hours, 20-watt maximum. All right, guys. Before we get to the WAN, I want to show you how small this really is, because this is really kind of small, guys. I do like it. It's a little heavier than feels a little heavier than than the Anchor, the Camel does, the Mfish. But you can see they're about the same height. But when you look at it, I want to mess up the. When you look at it, I think this one's a little wider. The Anchor's a little wider, but they are roughly. I think this is a little bit heavier than the Anchor. It feels that. Now I'm gonna tell you, I do like this. I like the design. Now, guys, I did look up the price. They're out of stock right now, and they're going for $19.99, but they're normally $39.99, which is not bad. Which is not bad. Now, their other power banks can get up anywhere between when you start getting into the like the 10,000 milliamp hours and the other features that come with it. You're looking at roughly uh around about $50 to $60 for those. So at $19.99 right now on sale, $39 off sale, I can deal with that. That's not bad. This is, if you can find this one, because this is older, this one to be about 30, no, about 25 to 30 also, give or take. So roughly around the same price right now. Now, the only thing that this has that one doesn't have is the stand. This one doesn't have a stand. Okay. But this one comes with a very nice short wire. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and get to see how much it weighs. All right. We're going to go ahead. We're going to weigh it against this and see how much it weighs. About the same size as I showed you in the preview. We're going to go ahead. You see 136, okay? And this right here is 146. So this is 10 grams heavier. All right, guys, so that's not bad. That's not bad. All right, let's see how it looks when you charge up. We're going to use the wire came with it. You see, this is on. So that's how it looks when it's charging up. Let's do it again. All right, that's how it looks when charging up. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to try this one right here. And it's charging up. Charging up, guys. So I don't know why this is kind of fuzzy. There you go. All right, guys. There you go. It is charging up. We're going to let it get a full charge, and we're going to see how many things we can charge up at the same time. All right. Let's get the charging things up. As you can see, let's turn it down. As you can see, this is fully charged. So it's fully charged. So let's go ahead and we're going to try make sure the wireless charging works. Let's turn this off. Let's see if we can get it. There you go. So right there it's charging. And as you can see up here, the Thunderbolt. Trying to get the Thunderbolt in. Here we go. So Thunderbolt is in. So there you go. All right. So we're going to put this up. We're going to go ahead and hit this one. You can see charging wirelessly. All right. So that works. So then we're going to use this. Now, before we get to you, I love this, by the way. I love this. But since we don't have the newer iPhone, we have to use with the old charging port right here. So we have to do this just so we can make sure this part works. As you can see, it's It's charging. Let's do that one more time. It's charging. There you go. It's charging. All right. Oh, maybe one day I'll get a new. There we go. Boom. Charging rapidly. So now you can charge up 2 things at once, guys. I wouldn't suggest it. Charge. I wouldn't suggest you try to charge up 2 phones with it. Okay, so this is rapidly charging, and this is still charging. So you have 2 things charging. More so, if you're gonna charge 2 things at one time, it'll be something like this. Something that you just, your what is it called? Your earbuds. So you want to do your earbuds so you can charge up this and your earbuds at the same time, which I think that's pretty decent. Because you're trying to charge up another phone, a tablet, you probably could, but for 5,000 milliamp hours, you ain't get that much charge. So I would say, this is a good combination right here. All right, guys. So we're gonna give it to the regular view, give my last thoughts, and give this puppy a grade. All right. Yo, I'm back to give the CAME-L Wireless by Mfish 20-watt power bank my final thoughts and give it a grade. Now I'm gonna tell you something before we get into give you the puppy a grade. I don't know why I'm stumbling today. Give the puppy a grade. Let you know it says description gift only. So I don't know. It says it's $19.99, but on sale, it's $39.99 on sale. It's $19.99. So I don't know if you can buy this by itself, but it says gift only, and they have 3. They have the Funky Strike, which has a big bomb on it, and then it has done what is that? Then the Lucky Nines, and the Lucky Nines it has a kitty cat on it and it's pink, and they're saying, hey, you could choose, or when there's not one available, they will randomly select it. Okay, guys. So I don't know. It has a price on it, so you might be able to get it. It does say add to cart, so you might. But hey, let's go ahead and finish this before I ramble too long. All right, finish the design, guys. I do like it. I like the way they look. My wife walked in my office and said, oh, those are cigarettes? I said, no, that's the charge. She said, oh. She said, that's pretty neat. So, finishing design, I give it a 5. Now, how many ways that you can use this charge up item? I give it a 5. For something small like this, guys, all you need is one input, your output. This is in and out, and you get use this MagSafe, or if you have a MagSafe capable case on your Android, you can use it that way. I think for something this small, you don't need 5 different peripherals on here to say I want to charge up 5 things. I think 2, because you can charge up 2 items at one time, but really this is a 1 item thing. So I give it a 5. Capacity for the price, 5,000 milliamp hours for the price, I give it a 5. Quality, I give it a 4.5. This is pretty good quality. I'm guessing it's plastic. Now, I would have loved if this would have had a little bit, some holes in it, because when you do use this to wirelessly charge up, I did it on the iPhone, see how long it would take to drain it, that it did get warm. It got warm, not too hot, like you couldn't hold it, but it did get really warm. And when you got something this thin, guys, it's going to have a problem with dissipating heat. And heat is the enemy of batteries. So I would say I wish it had a little bit more. I guess it could have been a little bit bigger to have a little bit more airflow. So I'm going to give the quality of 4.5. Well, that should have been finished design, but 4.5. And the price, it's a free gift when you order up above something, or right now it says it's $19.99. That's not a bad price if you can buy it. It says gift only, but it has a price on there. It says you can add to cart. So I don't know, guys. So at $19.99, I think it's a steal. At $39.99, then you get into, you could probably get something a little bit better. All right, guys. So I give the price right now at $19.99. I give it a 5. So makes it a 4.9, which is almost a perfect score. And I do like I think this could be a little longer. I ain't gonna lie, it could be a little longer, but I like the way this looks. So, guys, if you can buy it off of Mfish, if you can get it for $19.99, or you buy something off their website and you can pick this come free, I think it's a good gift or it's a good buy. So guys, do me a favor before we go. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank you for the growth on the channel. I want to thank my new and current and new subscribers for rocking with the channel. And again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Ted, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, I'm really starting to like Mfish. I think their products are very unique and they're pretty good so far. So hey guys, if you want to get it, just go to their website, or I'll try to put a link in below, and you have a good day. Peace.